Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. So in today's video, we will learn how to create bubble text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get start the video. Firstly, select the type tool and simply write your text. Then fill the color according to your choice. Then select the text style. Go to the window and select 3D and material. Go to the material. Then go to the object and select inflate. Adjust the values, depth 10%, twist 0%, taper 100% and volume 100%. Then go to the lightning option and adjust these values. That's it. So here is your final result. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Lies of mine.